This is the War Brief Daily for April 1st, 2026, Russia-Ukraine theater. 4 updates tonight. A mass drone attack with a confirmed tactical adaptation. Ukraine's Baltic oil strike campaign cutting into Russian war revenue. Confirmed frontline movement in Donetsk going both ways. And a Kremlin ultimatum the data does not support. First, the overnight drone attack. Russian forces launched 289 drones against Ukraine overnight March 30 to 31. The Ukrainian Air Force confirmed intercepting 267. 20 broke through, striking 11 locations across Sumy, Odesa, and Poltava oblasts, with power outages across 5 oblasts. The critical development within this attack. Ukrainian Ministry of Defense advisor Serhiy Beskrestnov, known as Flash, confirmed Russian forces have begun equipping Shahed drones with R-60 air-to-air missiles, a Soviet Cold War weapon now mounted on a one-way attack drone specifically to defeat Ukrainian interceptor aircraft. This is a confirmed tactical adaptation, and its target is Ukraine's 93% drone intercept rate. Watch for whether it begins to work. An emerging report cites a possible follow-on attack of up to 339 UAVs overnight into April 1st. That figure is not yet confirmed by the Ukrainian Air Force. Second, Ukraine's Baltic oil campaign. The Leningrad Oblast governor confirmed damage at ust-luga port overnight, with a 50,000-ton oil storage tank reported on fire. This is the latest in a coordinated campaign running since March 23 against Russian Baltic energy infrastructure. Bloomberg reported these strikes cut Russian crude flows by 1.75 million barrels per day in a single week, reduced oil income by more than $1 billion, and dropped tankers loading at affected ports from 18 down to 6. Ukraine has no functional navy. It is blockading Russia's Baltic oil exports with long-range drones. ISW assessed these strikes directly undermine Moscow's ability to benefit from recent U.S. sanctions relief. Third, Donetsk. Geolocated footage confirms Russian advances in eastern Kostiantynivka, a potential axis toward Drushkivka, a key logistics hub. Ukrainian advances are confirmed in western Udachny and northeastern Petropavlivka. Near Hryshine, a Russian fog and mist infiltration collapsed after Ukrainian forces eliminated the Russian company commander. Troops in that area are reportedly running short on food and water. Ukraine also confirmed striking a Russian Buk M3 air defense system in occupied Luhansk Oblast. The Russian Ministry of Defense claimed the capture of Mala Korchakivka north of Sumy. ISW has not confirmed this. Fourth, the Kremlin Ultimatum. Zelensky confirmed Russia is demanding Ukrainian withdrawal from all remaining Donetsk Oblast within 2 months. Kremlin spokesman Peskov claimed front dynamics decisively favor Russia. ISW assessed both as false. The data. Russian advance rates dropped from 11.06 square kilometers per day in Q1 2025 to just 5.5 in Q1 2026. The rate has been cut in half. Russian mill bloggers are publicly saying the same. ISW assessed this ultimatum as a cognitive warfare operation designed to pressure Washington into forcing territorial concessions that Russian forces cannot achieve on the ground. Watch for confirmation of the April 1 overnight drone figure. Whether the R-60 adaptation affects Ukrainian intercept rates, movement on the Kostiantynivka axis toward Drushkivka, satellite confirmation at ust-luga, and any response to the 2-month ultimatum as ceasefire dynamics evolve. That is your War Brief Daily for April 1, 2026.